Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage decor is a charming, nostalgic and cozy design style that blends antique elements with soft colors, delicate patterns and rustic charm. It creates a lived-in, welcoming home that feels both stylish and comfortable. The essence of vintage cottage decor. This style is all about romance, nostalgia, and comfort. Unlike modern minimalism, vintage cottage embraces layering, texture, and collected over time charm. It feels warm and inviting, filled with character from flower market finds, antique furniture, and handmade touches. Key design elements for vintage cottage. First, color palette. Vintage cottage interiors are light and airy, featuring soft neutrals, white, cream, beige, and light gray for walls and furniture. Use pastels, lush pink, dusty blue, mint green, and mature yellow for a subtle pop of color. Ace tones, faded mustard, antique rose, and weathered oud add depth. Next, furniture. Vintage cottage furniture has a rustic, charm-on appeal. Distressed finishes. Features a chippy paint on aged or a shabby look. Mix and match styles. A blend of old and new furniture for a collected feel. Use reclaimed and upcycled pieces, vintage cabinets, repainted dressers, or antique vanities. Cozy setting, overstuffed armchairs, slip-covered sofas, and wooden rocking chairs. Fabrics and patterns, soft layered textiles bring warmth to vintage cottage spaces. Floral prints, English roses, delicate wildflowers, or vintage botanical patterns. Use gingham and checks. Classic cottage charm in contains tablecloths and pillows, lace and crochet, and a romantic heirloom feel. Layered linens, foils, ruffled bed skirts, and embroidered table runners. Use decor and accessories. Thoughtful details make a vintage cottage home feel lived in. Antique mirrors, aged or gilded frames for elegance. Vintage china and glassware, mismatched teacups, delicate plates, and cut glass vases. Books and letters, stacks, vintage books, handwritten notes, or botanical prints in frames. Candles and lanterns use soft lighting for a cozy glow. Wicker baskets and trays for a storage and rustic charm. Use flooring and walls, wood floors, natural, whitewashed or painted wood planks for a rustic touch, baseboard or wainscoting, classic cottage wall treatments. Use floral or tile wallpaper, soft, vintage-inspired patterns. Use distressed brick or stone, adds old world character. Use vintage cottage styling for each room, living room, white or pastel slip-covered sofas with floral pillows. Stage wood coffee table with lace runners. Use antique books, candlesticks, and a cozy throw blanket. Use wicker baskets for storage and fresh flowers in glass jars. Next, kitchen. Use open shelving with vintage platters, mugs, and glassware. Farmhouse sink with a brush or vintage style bucket. Use distressed cabinets with glass or open shelving. Use a wooden kitchen island or matka block for rustic charm. Next, bedroom. Iron or distressed wood bed frame with ruffled bedding. Use vintage dresser with lace doilies and floral accents. Crystal candeliers or an antique style bedside lamps. Use soft floral curtains for romantic touch. Bathroom. Clawfoot tub for a luxurious vintage feel. Use pedestal sink with antique style fixtures. Baseboard walls with a pastel or floral wallpaper accents. Use wicker baskets for towels and vintage glass bottles for decor. Find to find vintage cottage pieces, flower markets and cheap stores. Hunt for one-of-a-kind furniture and decor. Estate sales and auctions. Great for authentic vintage finds. Online marketplaces, Stay eBay and Facebook Marketplace have unique pages. Antique shops, higher pages but excellent quality finds. Tips for achieving the look on a budget. Don't distressed furniture. Sand and repaint old furniture for a vintage look. Thrifted finds. Look for unique vintage items at thrift stores and second-hand shops. Repurpose and upcycle. Turn an old ladder into a shelf or use a vintage suitcase as a storage. Mix old and new. Blend modern pieces with vintage ones to keep costs down. In-depth guide to vintage cottage decor. Vintage cottage decor is a warm, nostalgic, and cozy design style that combines old-world charm with practicality. It embraces aged furniture, soft textiles, delicate patterns, and rustic charm to create a space that feels inviting and timeless. Understanding the vintage cottage aesthetic. Vintage cottage decor is influenced by English and French country homes, cozy, elegant, and romantic. Shabby chic style, soft pastels, distressed furniture, and feminine touches. Farmhouse and rustic elements, natural materials, and a lived-in feel. This style is perfect for those who love history, nostalgia, and a home filled with character. Core elements of Vintage Cottage Decor: soft, romantic color palette, base color, white, cream, beige, and soft gray. Accent colors: pastels like blush pink, dusty blue, she's green, and water yellow. Edged or faded tones: muted mustard, antique roses, or faded teal for vintage depth. Displays and antique furniture: vintage wooden pieces, painted or natural with a time-worn look. Chippy paint finishes: other dressers, cabinets, and tables. Mixed materials like wicker chairs, iron bed frames, and repurposed farmhouse tables. Layered fabrics and textiles, floral prints. Use soft English roses, wildflowers, or tall patterns. Lace and crochet. Vintage towels, lace curtains, and handmade crochet blankets. Use ruffled or embroidered linens, tilted pillowcases, table runners, and bedspreads. Gingham and checks, classic country terms for cushions, tablecloths, or upholstery. Thoughtful accessories and decor: vintage china and glassware, floral teacups, mismatched plates, and crystal vases. Antique mirrors and frames, on it gold leaf or distressed wooden frames. Old books and ephemera, stacked vintage books, aged letters, or botanical prints. Use wicker baskets and trays, functional decorative storage solutions. Candles, oil lamps, and lanterns. Use soft, warm lighting for a cozy ambience. Natural materials and rustic touches: wooden beams and floorings, whitewashed or natural wood planks, bakeboard and wainscoting, adds classic cottage character to walls. Distressed brick or stone accents provide an aged, rustic feel. Use floral wallpaper or painted murals. Vintage inspired botanical prints for depth. The mood and atmosphere of a vintage cottage home: warm and inviting. Soft lighting, layered textures, and natural elements create a cozy space. Nostalgic and sentimental, heirloom pieces with the artwork and antique finds tell a story. Timeless and lived in, no space felt too new. Every detail has character and history. Budget-friendly tips for achieving the look: mixed old with new. Pair antique finds with modern furniture for a balanced look. Tie decor, handmade trims, repaint furniture, and shifted linens can be transformed. Dye and upcycling ideas: distress your own furniture, sand and repaint old wood for a shabby chic finish. Repurpose old items, turn vintage suitcases into nightstands, or mason jars into vases. Create handmade textiles. Sew your own floral pillow covers or crochet towels. Vintage cottage decor is a cozy, nostalgic, and charming style that blends antique and vintage inspired elements with a warm, lived-in feel. It often features soft colors, distressed furniture, floral patterns, and a mix of rustic and elegant details. This style creates a welcoming and relaxed atmosphere, perfect for those who love the charm of old world aesthetics with a touch of romance. It embraces nostalgia, celebrating the beauty of aged furniture, delicate fabrics, and time-worn accessories. This style often reflects the romantic and whimsical touch while keeping things practical and homey. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.